Hi guys, welcome to today's update. Specially sponsored by Irshad Basha and produced by Munawar Basha. Today's update is about the coronavirus in India. The virus is spreading more as much it can in India. Especially Bangalore, the Silicon city of India has more cases. COVID wave 2 is mainly focused on breathing problem. It mainly affects the lungs, through which a person needs artificial oxygen cylinders. But the doctors are advise us to use mask regularly. Wash our hands with soap regularly. With the help of sanitizer, sanitize our hand regularly. Although there are some tips to increase oxygen level in surrounding, and to breath of fresh air. Starting planting, in home. Ficus plant has a first place in more oxygen producing plant. Ficus plant have a tree-like structure and is grown commonly in many offices and houses. Ficus plant give oxygen at night and prefer shady and medium light over direct sunlight and heat. They are not among the hard-to-grow plants and carries long lifespan. Secondly, aloe vera. Aloe vera, what's great about this plant is that it emits oxygen at night time, whilst simultaneously taking in carbon dioxide, something we naturally produce when breathing. All this leads to a purer quality of air and a better night's sleep. Third is Tulsi. Tulsi is an oxygen generator which can give competition to the best air purifiers in the world. It gives out oxygen for 20 of the 24 hours in a day, as well as ozone for 4 hours a day. Tulsi also absorbs harmful gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Alright guys, today's update has been completed. If you like this video, press the like button. If you have any update, please comment. For more, subscribe to our channel and get latest updates. Thank you all, ta bye bye. See you later.